Okay, now we're going to try the half angle identities, and these can be a little bit tricky. But what this is saying is that cosine 75 degrees is half of the theta that we will use in the identity. So ask yourself, if half angle is 75 degrees, I should have put in the right here. Well, 75 is half of what? Of what? What is the whole theta? Well, 75 is half of 150. So the theta that we will use in the identity will be 150 degrees. So right there. And at 150 degrees, the cosine value is negative root 3 over 2. If you look at your unit circle, the cosine value is positive 1/2. Let's go ahead and look at the identity for the half angle cosine. The half angle cosine identity is cosine of the half angle is equal to positive negative square root of 1 plus cosine theta all over 2. Well, we have to decide, is it positive or negative? Well, where is 75 degrees? 75 degrees is in the first quadrant. So we will be using the positive version. So then we go ahead and plug it into the identity. Cosine 75 degrees is positive square root 1 plus cosine 150 degrees all over 2. Then we determine, we did a second ago, what cosine of 150 is. And we substitute cosine of 150 is negative root 3 over 2. Then remember, when we have this expression in the numerator, well, we're going to rewrite 1 as 2 over 2, and then that's going to become one expression. So 2 subtract root 3, and both of those fractions are over 2, so we can put it over one fraction all over this 2. Well, we're not going to want this 2 in this denominator. We only want to deal with the numerator fraction. So we'll multiply top and bottom by 1/2. That cancels. 2 times 2 is 4, so it simplifies to this. The very last thing is, since this square root is over the entire thing, it means the square root of the numerator over the square root of the denominator. Well, we know what the square root of 4 is. The square root of 4 is 2. So there is the cosine half angle. Let's go ahead and go on. Well, I'll go ahead and do a half angle sine in the next video. So that's it for this one.